So for today's video, I have been thinking about doing this video for literally so long. So I ordered 4 items from Wish on February 9th. I still haven't received one of them. And then one of them took like 3 months. They all came in separate packages and they all came like really spaced out. And I kind of was like, is it too late to film it? I don't know, because I ordered it in February and it's June now. So I'm still gonna do the review though. Okay, so for the first item I got, it was this dress, which looks absolutely nothing like the picture. Okay, so here is the dress. I can show you the picture. The roses are more of like a burgundy color and these are like red, and then the dress looks like silky and this is like tablecloth material. So also the slit is a lot bigger in the picture. This slit isn't that big. Okay, so it costed $7.60, so it was cheap, but it was still horrible. This does say the correct size that I ordered, but I'm going to be showing something that was not in the size that I ordered it. Okay, so my next item is this swimsuit. It costs $6.65. I feel like it looks a little bit off, but not too off. Like I do think that on the picture, these little stripes look more like gray and stuff. So I do think it looks a little bit off. I also feel like this might be longer. I feel like this part might be like longer on hers because I feel like it goes down like most of her arm. Okay, so this is like the weird thing. So like it's not in the size I ordered it. It's only in one size smaller, so I can like still like physically fit it on my body. It's just like a little bit tight, but like it's not in the size I ordered it, which is like weird, you know? I don't know why they sent it in a different size, but it's not the size I ordered. I don't know. That's a weird thing. So the next thing I got was the Stranger Things shirt. Okay, so it cost $8.55. Let me see if the size is right. Okay, I can't find the size. Basically the shirt is fine, but it does look different than the picture. In the picture, it looks more of like a faded thing. Like it looks like it's like gray. The like logo thing is in like a like faded red, but in this it's just like bright colors. The shirt is fine with me, but it's just not the picture at all. Okay, so for the last item I ordered, it was $3.80 and it was pretty cute. Honestly, I don't remember. Oh yeah, it says white. Alright, okay, because I was like, I thought it was white, yeah. But for some reason in the picture it's black. But it's just a t-shirt that has some eyelashes and a lipstick on it, and it just never came. So I don't know why it's not here, but it's not here. It never came, so that's great. Yeah. Okay, so that was basically the end of my video. It's pretty short. It's basically just like, you know, Wish is kind of a scam. Honestly, I don't know. Like, I mean, if you get cheap stuff, like I just expect it to look like a knockoff of what you see in the picture, and it's still pretty cheap. It might not come. It might come. You never know. Yeah. So that is all I have to say. If you enjoyed this, you should like, comment, subscribe. Follow me on my Twitter and Instagram. Add me on Snapchat because I had every single person back. Also, please subscribe to help me reach my goal of 20,000 subscribers by the end of 2018. Please like share one of my videos or like one of my tweets or something. I don't know. I would appreciate if you would help. Okay, that's all I have to say. So goodbye. Hey guys, so for today's video I am going to be doing a, let me see how much it costs. Does it show how much it costs here? Okay, it doesn't show how much it cost on the email, but I don't think it costs that much. Okay, I found how much it costs at $7.60, so it was cheap. Please, if you enjoy this, help me reach my goal of 20,000 subscribers by the end of 2019 or 2018.